Mock exam, section B, question 2, part A. The park is in the shape of a rectangle with a semicircular end. The rectangle is 120 meters long and 20 meters wide. The diameter of the semicircular end is also 20 meters. Taking pi as 22/7, calculate the area of the park. So, importantly, pi, we need to use 22/7. This is what's called a compound shape, so we don't have a formula that will solve this for us. So we need to split it into two parts. So the two parts we're going to look at are a rectangle and a semicircle. So the area for the rectangle is the length multiplied by the width. We need to add to this the area of a circle, which is pi r squared, divided by 2, because we're looking for half the area of a circle. So our length here is 120, our width is 20, so we have 120 by 20. To this we're going to add pi multiplied by the radius squared. In the question we've been told that the diameter is 20, so the radius is half of the diameter, so half of 20 gives us 10, so 10 squared, all divided by 2. So our 120 by 20 is 2,400. This can all go into your calculator in this format. So open the bracket, 22/7 multiplied by 10 squared, close the bracket, divide by 2, and you get an answer of 157.14. Add the two of them together, and we get 2,557.14 meters squared. Don't forget our meters squared for the area of the park. Part 2 of this question, again, taking pi as 22/7, calculate the perimeter of the park. So if we split the shape into two parts, our rectangular part and our semicircular part, we notice we don't have this section here because these are joined. I know my shape is terrible. So we just have one width and two lengths, and then the circumference of the semicircle. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. We want half of this, so we divide it by 2. So when we divide it by 2, pi r is what we're looking for here. So the formula we're going to use here is the length plus the width plus the length plus pi multiplied by r. So this will give us 120 plus 20 plus 120 plus 22/7 multiplied by multiplied by 10. This gives us 260 plus 31.42. So the perimeter of the park is 291.42 meters. Don't forget, put in your m for meters.